Coffee for skin whitening. Get spotless with white skin. Ingredients: coffee powder, sugar, aloe vera gel and coconut oil. How it works. 1. Coffee for skin whitening. Coffee is very helpful for naturally beautiful skin. Coffee contains caffeine and antioxidants, due to which it is very good for our skin. It makes our skin wrinkles-free by reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Caffeine also has anti-inflammatory properties that help to get rid of ugly eyes and dark circles. It helps regenerate new cells by removing dead skin cells. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which helps in killing harmful germs on the skin. 3. Aloe vera gel. Some such properties are found in aloe vera gel, aloe vera, which helps to make our skin soft and glowing. How to make. 1. Take 2 tablespoons coffee powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, and 1 teaspoon coconut oil. 2. Mix it well and apply it on your face and neck. 3. Scrub it for a few seconds and leave it for 10 minutes. 4. Use it once a week. Thanks for watching. For more videos, do subscribe and stay with us.